How do you feel about going to Dollywood today?
I'm excited to finally ride Lightning Rod. Hopefully, assuming it's running.
What are you going to do if it's not running?
Burn the park down. Just got off the Lightning Rod for the first time. The ride lives up to the expectations. Loads of airtime. It's just a fun ride. Like every turn, everything is just airtime. I don't know, my mind's still spinning. I gotta ride it a couple more times to figure out what I actually think. But yeah, Lightning Rod is so much fun. Can't wait to ride it again.